Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to set default notification ringtone in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to sounds and vibration, okay, click this. And okay guys, here in sounds and vibration, okay, scroll down and find the default notification ringtone. Okay, you'll have to do is click this to change the ringtone of your notifications. Okay guys, there are more tones here. All you have to do is scroll down and okay, I choose the receive tone. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, go back and okay guys, we have successfully set the default notification ringtone in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.